Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. It's a cute little Siamese kitty. I grew up with Siamese cats, so they have a special place in my heart. So I'm just kind of mapping out the shapes of Kitty here, just deciding where I want to go. And I don't always do it the same every time, for sure. As artists, we're always growing. Your style is always evolving. Just play with it. Nice tucked in paws. That loaf kitten position. Just refining more than anything now. Making sure everything looks good and then putting some darker lines in. In this perspective, the mouth is way down, appears way down. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or where you live or whatever. I just love to hear from you, and it helps build this awesome community of crazy cat artists too, which I'm glad you're a part of now. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. That all helps. Get those eyes in gently at first, and then once I'm happy with it, I can darken them up. I was going 3 times the speed and voicing over, and now I'm at 4 times the speed. And we will speed up more at the end. Get things finished for you. I love the loaf cat look, and it's especially sweet in a kitten. Okay, now we're speeding up again to 8 times the speed. Oh, I love that smirk. I love to squeak a little smirk into my kitties. Do lots of these quick gesture sketches if you really want to improve. It's amazing how you improve by just drawing. Just give a hint of Siamese markings. Suggestion of hair in the ears. You notice I don't draw a lot of hair. I just draw suggestions of hair here and there, and most of the time they just kind of appear. We know it's a cat, and the brain tells the eye, or the eye tells the brain, or however you want to say it, that it's a cat and it has fur. So those little rough lines end up being suggestions of fur. There's the whiskers. We'll polish things up here. Lots more videos to come, so I hope you stick with us. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.